Okay. What is your name?
My name is Nneka Maduaburochukwu.
Who's saying?
My name is Nneka Maduaburochukwu.
Okay, Nneka Maduaburochukwu from where?
I'm from Ukpo.
Ukpo?
Yes.
What local government area?
Dunukofia local government area. In Anambra state.
Okay. Can you tell us what made you to be in this state you are? I mean, what is happening to you?
I'm not well, and since over, let me call it a month and going to 2 months.
Okay.
I don't know what they did to me. Then they now finally brought me to this place. When they brought me to this place, God now did his own, and they cared for me, and I'm now well. But to go back to my house now is a problem because the bill is too much. I cannot afford the amount of money they are requesting. And they did well, because as you can see now, the day I came here, I cannot walk, I cannot eat, I cannot do anything, I cannot stand up self. But now I'm standing on my own, I'm wearing clothes, but then I'm not wearing any clothes. I'm only covering wrapper. And when I cover wrapper, when they want to remove the wrapper, the blood will be full of everywhere. So, but now I can stand on my own, I can walk, everywhere is dry. But I'm begging people's help, that people will help me so that I can pay the hospital bill and go back to my house.
Okay. You say you have suffered for how many months or years? When this disease started? Well,
it started, let me call it 2 months now.
Okay, just 2 months?
Yes.
And it developed to this stage?
Yes.
Okay. What did you do before it developed to that stage?
I was taking all these local medicine from all these village this thing.
Okay.
But you cannot even do anything. The thing when I'm taking it, the thing are getting worse.
Okay. Okay, and when can you tell us how were you when you were brought here, and what led you to this place?
All my body peeled out. All my body, you cannot even touch me. It's only my head. It's only my head. When they want to bring me up from bed, they will my mother will hold me on my neck.
Okay, and who advised you? Who advised you?
It's my in-law that directed me to this place. He said that somebody from main market that is seriously ill. They brought the woman to this place, and the woman was healed. And then they now direct us to this place, that we should come to this place. I'm hearing the voice of the owner of this place, Anyafulugo, in the radio, but I think that it's all these herbalists, ordinary malaria and typhoid this thing medicine. I don't even know that the woman is too much like this. And it's when I came to this place and I find out that the woman is an extraordinary human being. God just brought the woman to help people that doesn't have hope again. Because in short, I don't know how to put it in a way.
Okay, and how many days or weeks have you stayed here?
Yesterday, just a month, 28 days.
Okay, just a month, 28 days.
Yes.
You were here, and you recovered.
I'm okay.
Okay. What is the name of the place you are?
I'm okay.
You are recovering, yes.
I'm recovering.
So, what is the name of the place you are? The hospital or the place where you are treated? You're supposed to mention it. Center for Psychic and Healing Administration. Mention it.
Center for
Psychic.
Center for Psychic Administration
and
Healing Administration.
Awka.
Okay.
It's alright. So you are making call to who? What do you actually want them to do for you?
I want people to help me so that I can pay my hospital bill and go back to my house. I'm begging people to help me.
Okay. It's alright.